in Mississippi, and I can't wait to meet my family up here in New York. I'm a year old. Come and adopt me. My name's Marion. My name is Boss Hog. I'm 10 weeks old. This will be my first home. My name is Scruffy, and I'm 3 years old, and I need a home with someone to play with me. My name is Sweet Potato, but you can call me Sweet Tater or just Tater. I've been neglected my whole entire life. My birthday is Saturday, and I'm going to be arriving in New York, and I hope that there'll be a family waiting for me. Excuse me, all these newbies raining on my parade. I've been waiting around for 26 days for my family, and I'm good with other dogs, and I love to play, and I'm just sitting here waiting for my family, so come along and come and get me. My name's Bella.